Hi, my name is Natalie Vasquez. I am currently enrolled in the IO program, and this will be my last course of my first year. I do work. I am a property manager in Mount Sterling, Kentucky, that manages about 200 both residential and commercial units. Um, I hope to learn more about what work analysis is and how it's incorporated in IO psychology, and if it's something that I want to pursue after I graduate. I do understand the expectations of this course, and I have read the syllabus and requirements. Something interesting about myself is I did not think that I was going to do any more school after I graduated college. I was very burnt out on it, and but then I had a son, and I needed some structure in my life, so I enrolled into this master's program, and it's brought me a lot of happiness, and I really enjoy it and the work. And in September, I will have another boy. Yep. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to this class.